Which of the following have both 20 and 32 as multiples? So what does this question really mean? Now, if a number has both 20 and 32 as multiples, this question, what it really implies is that the number is a common factor of both 20 and 32. So now let's look at each of these options. Is 1 a common factor of both 20 and 32? Meaning, is there any number that you can multiply by 1 to get 20, and is there some other number that you can multiply by 1 to get 32? Well, any number multiplied by 1 gives itself. So 20 multiplied by 1 gives you 20, and 32 multiplied by 1 gives you 32. So 1 is a common factor of 32 and 20. Now let's look at 6. Is there any number that you can multiply by 6 to give you 20? Well, 6 into 3 gives you 18, while 6 into 4 gives you 24. So I think we can reasonably say that 6 is not a factor of 30, so it cannot be a common factor either. Now, is there any number you can multiply by 5 to give you 20? Well, there's 4. 4 into 5 gives you 20. Now, is there any number you can multiply by 5 to give you 32? 5 into 6 gives you 30, while 5 into 7 gives you 35. So in this case too, I think we can reasonably say that there is no number that you can multiply by 5 to give you 32. So 5 too is not a common factor of 20 and 32. Now, is there any number that you can multiply by 8 to give you 20? Well, 8 into 2 gives you 16, while 8 into 3 gives you 24, which is larger. So I think here too we can reasonably say that there's no number that you can multiply by 8 to give you 20. So 8 too cannot be a common factor of both 20 and 32.